What is up, everybody? It's your boy Brando here with Brando Reviews, and today we are checking out this Sunglife camera right here. So it says like VisV on the front right there. So this camera right here can apparently do 4K and 1080p, so that's very cool if it can actually do that. Oh, it's $150 on Amazon. Have your power cable here. It's just a micro USB, nothing too special about it. Micro USB and a USB-C adapter. A cute little pouch right here that'll just fit it. Let's go ahead and put it in the pouch. Oh my god, that is a tight pouch. All right, so you do you with this pouch. I think it's a little too tight, but that doesn't matter. So let's get a little bit closer to the camera here, take off these little covers here, and look at it up close. All right, guys, so here it is. We're just gonna take a close-up and personal look with it here. So it has a 210-degree field of view on either side, so keep that in mind. You have your LED right there. Pull it out. You can see this is a external portable battery, and it comes with stuff that you can actually use this to charge your phone with, which is really cool, kind of strange, but cool. It also has its own built-in battery, 800 milliamp hours. This is an additional 500 milliamp hours. If you can get it out there, I don't know if it's meant to. So just like that, and then once you have that in right there, you can actually put this into your phone. If you have a USB-C powered phone, and you can transfer files, and you can actually use this as a portable battery as well as that too. But if you really need to, you can charge your USB-C powered phone off of this. This is the button right here. So when the blue light's on, that means the device is ready to be used. So I'm gonna hold it down. When the blue light flashes, that means that the device is turning off. And then beep, 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 and it's turned off right now. What we're gonna do now is we're just gonna take a look at the actual video quality, because that's kind of important there, and maybe see how that app works. All right, guys, so to use the device, you're gonna press this button here. It does a few different things. First, you're gonna turn on the device by holding it down till the green light comes on, and you wait for the blue light to come on, which means the device is ready to go. So we're just waiting right now and waiting. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, those are on. So it says just press it once and the blue light will flash once, meaning it took the picture. So it flashed, that means it took the picture. So we can go back and look at that. And if you hold it down for 2 seconds, it'll take a video and the blue light will continuously flash. So 2 seconds, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. So I'm gonna let go of it, and theoretically it should start recording video, and it's recording video right now. So let's see how this thing looks. If you want to use it on an iPhone, you're gonna connect to the Wi-Fi here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Join. And as you can see, it's live. I'll just do it with my finger here. You can see me. Woo, we spinning, boys. So we upside down right now. This is really cool. This is my first time ever using one of these things. See what I'm doing right here. It's like it's like we're living in the Matrix or something. Oh gosh. All right, guys, so I decided to just stick with the screen cap here because the screen cap is going to be the easiest method to do this. So you see baby me back there. So go into the front room. You see it all sparkly over there. Ooh, we be spinning all over the place. So in here, you can go down and see me. Very dark outside, isn't it? Not the best night vision. You don't buy this for night vision. All right, guys, so there you go. That was just a little quick overview and sort of a test of the Visvi Sunglife 3D camera, 360 camera right here. So it is about $150 on Amazon. And as you guys saw from the footage, it works very cool, or it works very well through the app. You can control all directions and such on the app. I did have trouble transferring it over to my computer so that I could actually download the footage. That's why in the video you can only see it through the app. I'm just streaming it through the app, but it can be much higher quality if you actually download the footage and have something to run it off of. But as you guys can see, it's very good build quality as well. It has the two cameras right there. Parts of it do feel like a nice aluminum, and it is cool how it can do that thing with the external battery charging other devices, and how it connects via Wi-Fi or via direct connection if you have a USB-C device or the appropriate device. So if you guys do want to purchase this, there will be a link down below. And if you guys enjoy this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you guys want to stay up to date on more of these videos. But yeah, there's the SD card slot right there, and you guys can see it's a very small device. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.